How does that contrast the relationship with war and violence with the other civilizations of Mesoamerica and South America? Maybe the Maya. What was their relationship like with war?
The Maya were certainly influenced by the Aztec at the end, so we get a skewed perspective from the contact period accounts because the Maya were much more violent and sacrifice oriented in their post classic rendition, but in the classic period, it was mostly the priests and the king who were doing the sacrificing of themselves. We know that the Maya kings would cut their penises and then bleed that blood onto paper, and the paper would burn and become the smoke through which they'd commune with their ancestors. But they'd actually tie this paper onto their penis, cut it, and then dance so the blood splattered. But it was them cutting themselves. It was
Mm-hmm.
different than killing a bunch of other people for it. It was a auto sacrifice, we call it. Still very macabre, but very different than deciding a whole bunch of other people should die. It was a self sacrifice thing.